Salagadoola, menchikaboola, bibbidi bobbidi.
Today we are cooking carne guisada. We starting by making a sofrito. We have a video on how to make sofrito in our YouTube channel and many other Puerto Rican dishes. Go check them out. Let's start. Ingredients are olive slices, olive oil, tomato sauce, cilantro leaves, green peppers, potato chunks, bay leaves, salt, beef powder, Sazón with saffron, sofrito, 1 cup of water, stew meat, and of course, we're using a crock pot. We start by pressing the sauté button on normal setting on the crock pot. And now we add a bit of olive oil, sofrito and tomato sauce, salt, Sazón with saffron, beef powder, olive slices. Mix this ingredients. Now let's add the bay leaves, potato chunks, stew meat, mix all the ingredients. Now let's add cilantro leaves, green pepper. This is depending how much you like it. Mix all ingredients well. We add a little more, so it can have more flavor. Now you can add 1 cup of water. Now start the pressure cooking at normal setting for 30 minutes. Look at how delicious this looks. The meat is soft and tender. Thank you for watching the whole video and don't forget to subscribe for more Puerto Rican dishes.